In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT unable to load conversation. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and search for ChatGPT. I click on the official link to open it. Once it loads, I click on the login button. A pop-up appears, and I select my Google account to continue. It goes through the verification process. Once logged in, my previous conversations are listed on the left panel, but sometimes they fail to load properly. To look into this, I navigate down to the bottom left, click on my profile icon, and open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, I go to Data Controls. Here, I can see options for managing my chats. I click on the Manage button next to Archived Chats. A pop-up tells me I have no archived conversations. Since that didn't reveal any hidden chats, I close out of the Settings window. Next, let's try clearing the browser's data. I click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser, hover over More Tools, and select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I ensure that all the data types like browsing history, cookies, and cached files are selected. I expand the view to check all options, then click the Delete Data button. After the data is deleted, I close the Settings tab. Now, let's check if the issue is on OpenAI's side. I open a new tab and search for OpenAI status. I click on the official status link. Here, I can review the system status. Under ChatGPT, I expand the options to see if there are any current incidents with conversations or general outages. Everything looks stable here. Since the status is clear, let's try a different approach. I close the status page and open an incognito window. In the incognito window, I search for ChatGPT again and click the link. I click on Log in and enter my email address manually. I click Next, type in my password, and hit Next to sign in. Once the main page loads, I check to see if my conversations appear correctly. If it works fine here, it confirms the issue was likely browser related. If you are still having trouble, we can try using a different browser entirely. I close Chrome, open the search bar on my desktop, and type in Edge. I launch Microsoft Edge and search for ChatGPT in the address bar. I click on the official link to open the site. Once it opens, I log into my account. Testing it on a completely different browser helps isolate the issue further and should get your conversations loading normally again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.